Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tribit XSound Go and you need to do a hard reset on it. You might need to do this if it is not connecting to Bluetooth or to Wi-Fi, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if you're having other issues where it is not working properly. It's very easy to do this, so we can go ahead and do it right now. First of all, we're just going to come over and we need to make sure it's on. So we're going to hit the power button and turn it on. This light will turn blue on the indicator light. And then once it's turned on, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold simultaneously the plus and minus, the volume up and volume down buttons, sorry. We're just going to press and hold them for about 5 to 10 seconds. And after about 5 to 10 seconds, this light indicator will start to blink blue. Once it's blinking blue, that means that it is resetting. And then we can go ahead and turn it on. And since we did a hard reset, it will have forgotten anything that we have paired it with. So to complete the reset, you will then need to pair it with any devices that you want to use it on.